guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. I got Julie here and she brought me to her local garden center. I've never been here before, but this place looks really cool already and we just stepped a couple feet in. So I wanted to go ahead and do a come with me. If you guys are interested in seeing what Julie's garden center looks like, then keep watching. And we are in the heart of Los Angeles, so this is pretty fun for me as well. So here we are on the outside and there is a lot of interesting things here. I've never been to this particular garden center, so I'm kind of interested to see what they have. How much does this go for? Wow, $20. Woo! Sticks on fire. So these all go for about $20 here. This one is interesting. This is a euphorbia. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. This is cool. Also this, guys, what is this, Julie? Another euphorbia. Isn't this cool? If they have something small like this, Julie, I would like to get that. I've never seen that euphorbia before.
That one was 18?
Yes. What else do we have?
Bigger, right?
Yeah.
It's huge.
I've never seen that euphorbia before, guys. Have you? You see a bunch of different things up here as well. Christmas cactus. $25, $30.
What is it?
$17 for it. Oh, it's an aeonium, Julie.
What is this? I don't
Baby
know.
aeoniums.
It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
It's those big flower-like succulents that you like, but small.
Why is it tiny? It's like a dwarf?
Yeah.
We
I've
should buy it and share it.
never seen anything like this
we should
before.
buy it and share it.
Okay, fine.
Can we?
Yeah.
Can you propagate it or have it?
We'll split it. Yeah. Okay, good.
I've never seen this before and it's beautiful.
Oh my god, the cutest aeoniums. I've never seen miniature aeoniums, guys.
It looks like little broccoli.
Cute. I love that.
So pretty.
Good looks. Julie got the plant eye.
I'm going crazy. Literally, right? Outside in the shade?
Yeah, in the
Okay.
shade. Outside is fine.
Okay, because I don't have any more room to This is pretty.
Okay. Anything else interesting, Julie?
Back down this way. On the other side, there was some others that look pretty good.
Yeah, this garden center is interesting. Julie's garden center. Julie, how many plants have you gotten here?
Maybe about 5?
Okay, 5.
I would say about 5.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to kind of check out this scene here. Take a look at this. So these go for $10. But do you guys remember this particular guy here? So this is a gastroalloy species and it is in the cactus family. But I got it for like, remember in that bundle for $5? And this itself is priced for $10. So I think I got mine at a super good deal. Just wanted to point that out. Julie, this is our 4th video we're filming in one day. And Julie's never been on any of my social medias or channels. I know, she's just making up for lost time. I just want to share with you what this section looks like and kind of where we were. Julie, what is this? This looks like a ripsalis, but I've never seen this ripsalis before.
Beautiful. I don't know it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh,
so delicate.
I might have to get him because he's so cute.
It's so delicate, right?
Look at him.
He looks so dainty.
I do have a few ripsalis, like maybe 1 or 2, but I don't think I have this guy.
Variety.
No, there he is. You guys see him? God, lighting is so bad there. I don't know. This is a cute one. Or maybe it is mine, but smaller. I can't tell. Okay, I'm getting distracted here.
I hate the colored, the painted.
Oh, I know. I get.
It's
That's plant abuse.
It is. It's so rude.
Here's another one. This one is cute too. Julie.
It is cute.
Okay, let's do one more walk. Here's one quick look of the garden center area here with the cactus and succulents. We're gonna go back inside to the houseplants. Alright guys, let me know, what do you think? Do you love the come with me's in the middle of the night? It's definitely a different vibe than doing it in the morning. And this is Julie and I's 4th video filming for my main channel today. So definitely give this video a thumbs up. And we've gone all over. We were in Pasadena, now we're in Los Angeles. Before we go in and check out the houseplants, I wanted to show you these $27 bundles here. So for $30, you get a whole bunch here and you can propagate it and split it off. So here is the houseplant section, which brings me to this guy here right away. Look at this begonia. Now he's sad. Begonias are very struggly, hard plants, but look at this. So pretty. I would like to know how much they're selling these because they're all sad looking. And where's the price on here? $13. Their calatheas are very sad looking. These go for $11. Look at this big Dracaena, guys. This one goes for, I can't tell. Got the maiden hair. Look at this big beautiful bird's nest fern. This one is priced for $11. I love mine's, doing absolutely good. This one is $11. So it looks like their babies in this size planter is all for $11. Some ivies. And look at the Sansevieria here. This is the starfish, priced for $13. And look at all that growth. I think this is such a good deal. I love how they say tough as nails. Wow, they're really talkative on the PA system here. Right, so here is the next aisle here. What is this? This is a Aurelia, priced for $4. $5. That's pretty reasonable. Peperomias, priced for $3. Definitely one of my favorites. ZZ plant, rubber plant. This one is a pretty one. I love me a good rubber plant. And here's what Julie has, the compacta, but super, super small, priced for $7. Oh, Julie.
It's pretty. Genic plant.
Huh?
The rubber plant is pretty.
This is actually a good deal for the compacta, for one small one. And what else do we have here? Here's a adenium and price for $13. This is actually not that bad. As you can see, there's one bloom here. This one is a very pretty one. Look, it's about to bloom up here. I really like this one. Priced for $13. Actually, this is very reasonable because it can get super expensive for the desert rose. And I also see a rabbit foot's fern there. And some marantas up here. How much is this? $7 for the marantas. That's pretty reasonable. Thumbs up the video, guys. Let me know what do you think about Julie's local garden center and the variety they have. I think it's cool they had that Sansevieria. And of course they're playing Christmas music because it is December 1st. Here's this beautiful spider plant. I'm not too sure what the price is. I can't see one. But we have the kalanchoes. We have the anthuriums, priced for $8. Bromeliads. Well, they have a very big bromeliad section, guys. Look at this. And then here's that compacta here. $3. A peperomia rosso. These are headache type plants. So here is a quick overview of this section here. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Julie's got a cart. What are you trying to buy, Julie? Oh, she's looking for pumice. Video thumbs up. I think you should because we've now filmed 4 or 5 videos today for the channel, which is a lot in one day. But it is December 1st and it was definitely cool to see what they have in a local garden center for December, which I know can vary depending on where you live around the world. But it was definitely fun to go ahead and explore a space. So who knows? I think we might get a plant today. Julie has one in her grocery cart. Oh my god, there's so much. Alright guys, there's so much noise and stuff happening in this garden center, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here and go ahead and shop around and see if they have anything really cool. So stay tuned. I know Julie's interested in one plant here. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload, and of course subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until next time, aloha from Los Angeles, California. Bye guys!